Let's begin by having a closer look at iteration, which is the process of repeating section of a program. In the last unit, we used the forever block in Scratch, which allows us to repeat a section of our program again and again without stopping. The forever block can be used to code infinite loops, that is, loops that never end. Apart from infinite loops, there are two more types of loops: count-controlled and condition-controlled. Let's look at these in more detail. Count-controlled loops allow us to repeat a program section a specific number of times. There are many examples from everyday life where count-controlled loops are used. For instance, if I was to tell Cody how to make 5 identical sandwiches, I would repeat 5 times the process we saw last week for making a sandwich. We can accordingly modify our sandwich making algorithm with the use of the repeat keyword, like this. We could, of course, just describe the entire procedure without the repeat construct, like this. Here, we simply give the same instructions 5 times. But as you can see, this is not a very efficient way of writing programs, and it's really boring too. Instead, the use of repeat allows us to write more concise programs, which we can easily revise. So, if Cody was to make just 3 sandwiches, I would simply change 5 to 3. Scratch has a repeat block which we can use for count-controlled loops. But before creating our first program with a repeat block, let's have a look at condition-controlled loops.